You ever spend hours building with AI just to realize you have built a buggy piece of mess that no one could use? Yeah, that was me for 100 plus hours straight. Without a roadmap, nor a plan, just pure vibe coding. And let me tell you, vibe coding isn't dumb just because people say so, but doing it wrong, that will kill your progress instantly. After grinding through 100 hours of vibe coding, I have learned 5 hard painful truths which are game changing, and this video is going to be your shortcut. If you're trying to build fast with Cursor or Windsurf, then this video is going to save your sanity. Okay, let's rewind a few months back. So I had this app idea. Simple and cool. I thought I will ask Cursor to help me build it. Next thing you know, I'm 3 days deep debugging some random 3JS animation for a feature that no one asked for. I mean, they care, and that's when it hit me. I wasn't building smart. I was just vibe coding into a wall. So I started keeping track of things. What actually worked, what saved time, what made AI useful instead of frustrating. And here's what I found. Use a mainstream tech stack. This alone would have saved me 20 hours. Look, I love being creative, but Cursor doesn't care about your hot take on Svelte or some weird framework you found on Reddit. If you're building a web app, just go with Next.js and Supabase. If you need a landing page, use Wix, Framer or Durable. Building a game? Just blindly choose Unity or Unreal. Forget trying to teach AI your custom setup. Just use what it already knows. It will give you better code, faster fixes, and less headaches. Write a dumb, simple PRE. I used to open Cursor and say, build me a dashboard with login and analytics and real-time updates. And then wonder why it gave something that resembled my room. Super messy. I'll clean my room too. But things changed when I approached it step by step. First, I asked it to come up with a detailed plan to build a login page with Supabase and store it in a planning.md file. Then, I told it to break down the plan into tasks into a task.md file. And finally, in a new chat, I had it start tackling tasks one by one. That's when it clicked. The AI understood me much better and I got much cleaner results. And I didn't have to fix 10 different things. Pro tip, break your request into small steps. Not build everything now. Start with create login with Supabase. Then add user roles. Small steps or cleaner code. 3. JIT or die. This one hurt. There was a night where AI overwrote a feature which I spent hours refining, and I had no version control, no backups, nothing. So yeah, use JIT. Manual commits if you can. Because when Cursor breaks your build, trust me, it will. You will need to rewind. And 4. Give working code samples. I thought AI would just get the dogs, but it's smartly dumb. So it didn't. Now, before I start a new feature, I write a tiny working script, something like how to fetch 10 Jira tickets. Then I tell Cursor, use the script as base and expand it. That one step saved me hours of trial and error on APIs, broken auth headers, or libraries it just got wrong. And 5. Kill the chat instantly. I fell into this trap. Error, paste into Cursor, fix, new error, paste, loop, and madness. What should I have done instead? Start a new chat and say what broke, what I expected, what I tried already, and then share logs or screenshots. Fresh context, smarter help. Long chat history, that's where AI gets like my brain pulling all-nighters. Finally, bonus tip. Build ugly, ship fast, and polish later. I spent so much time tweaking animation, colors, and layouts before the core feature even worked. Now my rule is simple. Make it work, make it usable, then make it pretty. Nobody cares about your gradient button if the backend still crashes. AI works best when it's helping you finish a job, not when it's getting your design mission from scratch. So yeah, vibe coding isn't dumb, but if you're not strategic about it, you will spend weeks chasing broken feature no one even needs. Learn from my 100 hours of mistakes. Use the stack AI loves. Write tiny clear plans. Control your versions. Give examples. Start fresh when stuck. And finally, build ugly. If this saved you some pain, hit that like button and subscribe for more such AI tips every week. Comment down your doubts or what topic you want my next video to be on. Also, if you want to know why I'm sitting here talking about AI, then watch my this video.